Hi, this is Kathi Quinn with Floriani. Floriani is a division of R&K Distributing, and I'm here to welcome you to this week's Project of the Week. Now, I want to talk about circle text. I've had a lot of questions on it, so we're just going to go over circle text. First thing I need is a design, and since we've got so much going with our You Design It, I'm going to go ahead and go into my You Design It feature. And I'm going to create a design here. Let's just pick a body. And then I can come in and I can look for, I think I'm going to put a bow. And let me see, maybe a little antenna or an ear. I think I'll do an ear. There we go. And now I can add arms. I can come in and I can add feet. And there I've got just a little monster. Now these monsters come in the module when you receive your software. This is one of our features. However, we've got 15 additional design cards that you can purchase to do different things. Maybe I wanted to do flowers. Maybe I wanted to do stick figures. Maybe I want to do some sports mascots. I can do anything I like because I bought the design CDs and these have so much in them. But I'm going to stay with my monster and on screen. Now I want to add circle lettering. So I'm going to come to the T for text. I'm going to grab my circle lettering. Now the A is stuck to my cursor. I'm just going to left mouse click on screen. Now that I've got that, I'm going to go up here and you can see here is my properties for circle text. So what I'm going to do is in the top, I'm going to put in pretty, and in the lower, I'm going to put kitty. So there's my pretty kitty. Now I can select what font I want. I've got Child's Play. I think I'll go with that. And I'm going to make that about a ½ an inch tall. Now I'm going to apply. Now let's fit this all to screen. And you can see there's my text. Now why did my text, why is this so big? How do I deal with this? So let's look at the individual pieces of working with circle lettering. Okay, first of all, just like all of our lettering, the blue diamonds are kerning icons. So if I wanted a letter closer or farther apart, maybe I want a little more space in between the E and the R, notice all the other letters hold together. It only changes the space in between the two letters I want to change the space in. Same as regular lettering. The next one, the gold diamonds, I can pull this P off and treat it as an individual. I could oversize it, I can rotate it, I can do anything I want with it. That's by pulling them out by their orange box. Now undo is my best friend, so I'm going to undo. Now he's back where he belongs. Now if I look here at this circle right here, this is going to make it taller and wider proportionately. Let's look at this little one right here. And this is going to change the width without changing the height. Pretty cool. So it will redigitize. It doesn't distort my letters. It will just allow me to change the width of my lettering rather than changing width and height. So that's pretty cool. Now, same thing at the bottom. Let's come to the bottom. Same thing. We've got kerning icons, all that, and this is where our stitching finished. That's what that big one is. Now let's fit this to screen again. Now here's where people get confused at how to work this. Right here, you're going to see a blue circle. Now in all of Floriani, that is a rotate icon. So I can left mouse click on it, hold it, and I can rotate my text. But this also allows me to change the circumference of my circle. So I can move my lettering in and rotate it at the same time. And there I've got changing my lettering. So when I click off, there I have great lettering. Now, with this, I brought this in from the You Design It. I might come in and go over into my sequence view and say, I don't like purple arms. I'm going to select the first one, hold my next one, my control key, and left mouse click on my next arm, and I'm going to change these arms to yellow. So I could come in, change the colors of the arms, where they are. I can change anything because now this is just a design on screen. I could come in and say I don't want black lettering. I think I want my lettering to match his eyes. There we go. So you can see with circle lettering, it's easy to work with. There's no real trick to it. The caveat, the kicker is using that rotate icon to go ahead and make the circumference of your circle right there. That's the biggie. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little lesson on circle lettering, but I've had so many questions, I wanted to address it because it is cool to use and you can set it however you like it. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's quick project of the week, and I look forward to seeing you again, yes, next week. Thanks so much.